Hi all, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Let's start rebooting work using UiPath. In today's session, we are going to discuss about PickBranch. So this PickBranch, which is similar to this cancellation scope. So why I was saying this similar to the cancellation scope? So it will works in the same scenario where the cancellation scope will be using a parallel activity. In other hand, this PickBranch activity will use pick instead of parallel. So likewise it works. So here pick branch which consists of two components, trigger, another one is action. So where in cancellation scope we have a body as well as the cancellation handler. So it kind of is similar to the cancellation scope. So we can just try to use all the activity which has been used in the cancellation scope to our pick branch activity now. So let me drag and drop this pick first. So after that, so we have to drag and drop our pick branch as well. So let me drag and drop two pick branch. So one is for Acme. So we are going to use the same example which has been used for the cancellation scope now. So if you have not watched our cancellation scope video, so please go ahead and watch our cancellation scope video. So here and then UI bank. Cool. So here we are going to use all these activities. So instead of this cancellation scope, we can just minimize this one and take all this activity, just copy and paste over here, and then same for this UI bank as well. Perfect. So here as we seen, so this particular cancellation handle task will be executed, right? So let me comment off this now for time being. So where in pick branch, so it will execute the action. So if the trigger has been successfully executed, then actions will be performed. Okay. So for an example, so this trigger consists of this login. Okay. So what I'll do in action, so I'll just print it has been successfully logged in. Okay. So likewise, I'll do the same for this your bank as well. So let me cut this and drop over here. Perfect. So here if you, any of the pick branch activities has been executed, maybe like Acme or UI bank. So if the Acme trigger has been executed, then the corresponding Acme actions will be executed. So if here, if the UI bank triggers has been executed, then the corresponding UI bank action will be executed. So you may be asking one more question now. Say, hey, what will be happening for the next pick branch activities? So it will be cancelled. So if for an example the Acme has been executed, then the UI bank actions will be cancelled. So it will not function. So let me quickly run this and show you. So why I was saying it will be cancelled. So let me save this and let me try to run this now. So it has been started running now. So let us wait for a minute. So it will be launching the UI bank first. So then Acme site. So it is entering all the username password in Acme first. Okay, that's parallel running on both. So it signed on the UI bank first. So let me go to the output panel. So where here you can able to see only the UI bank message, right? Which is UI bank action. So here inside this UI bank, so you can see UI bank login executed successfully in the actions. So where you will not able to see any actions of Acme, right? So because this Acme actions has been cancelled automatically if the triggers of a UI bank is executed at the first on the top priority. So likewise, so if either one task will be executed and the rest of the task will be cancelled automatically, so likewise this pick branch activity will work upon. I hope this particular video will be helpful for you to understand how the pick branch will works. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.